opening up, thinking about this new world, putting on the strangeness of its garment, uncomfortable and fit parameters, restrictions, waking up excited this morning to the idea of meeting some friends on a Friday night. Haven't seen for what seems like ages. Then, lying in bed, my thoughts are quickly hijacked to the last time I got a hug, a real hug, from someone where unease or guilt didn't steal. Glad when it's over, bloody COVID. Somehow think then we have lost something, had before. This global pandemic reared its ugly head. Hope I'm wrong. Cheers to getting our normal back. In the meantime, I'm excited to see beautiful friends' faces, even if hidden behind a mask.